Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this app that pays instantly for free. This is a great place to earn money and it is available to people in multiple countries. Later, we will reveal the best parts of this app. If you are like me and can't wait to see results quickly, then this is the perfect app for you. Today I'm going to show you a completely free program that will pay you instantly for simply clicking on emails. As a result, you can sign up for free and they will begin sending you emails. When you click on those emails, you are immediately paid. This is ideal for people who have never made money online before because it involves no skills, no selling, no affiliate marketing, and no investment. And it works in a whole wide range of nations. Now, most users make one common mistake, and as a result of that one easy error, they are unable to make any money and the app does not work for them. So if you want to understand how to avoid making that mistake and make this work for you, be sure to watch this video all the way through and stay to finish. It's critical to not miss this section because they don't tell you how to resolve it. But first, don't forget to tap on the thumbs up button to like this video if you like making money online. So let's take a moment to like this video so that I can share this with those who are interested in making money online. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications icon and I'll notify you so that you will be first to learn about new ways to make money online. So before we get to the website that will pay you instantly for clicking on your emails, you must first create an email address. Now, I'm assuming that everyone has at least one email address, but if you don't, you may create one with Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, or any other email service you like. So first and foremost, download Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook on your smartphone, laptop, or computer. Then all you have to do is to go to gmail.com and sign up for a free account. To sign up for any of those email providers and create a free email account, all you need is an email address. We will show you how to create a free Gmail account to start off this tutorial. You can sign up by entering your first name, last name, and then creating a unique username for your Gmail account. Type in a secure password and then confirm that same password. Then you hit next and you will have a new account and email address in less than a minute. Once you create that new email address for free, we can head over to this website. But let me show you something. This is proof of earning. People all over the world are profiting from this strategy. They're all getting paid right now. This is their earnings, as you can see. People all over the world are receiving instant payments every minute. Now is the time to make sure you remain until the end of this video so I can teach you the mistake to avoid in order to start making genuine money. If you simply go to this website and try to figure it out on your own, you will almost certainly make a mistake and this will either not work for you or will take an extremely long time to find out what needs to be done. So I think it's a lot better if you just stay with me and go through this enjoyable process. Then, by the conclusion of this video, you'll be ready to start producing money and getting paid right away. Clicksgenie.com is the website we're talking about here. Clicksgenie.com is the URL for the website. As you can see, it says, be paid to read emails right here. For each email you read and click on, you can earn up to 0.042. Once you've been paid, you click. Once you click, you'll be paid. As you can see, it has a very user-friendly interface that makes it very simple to use. We'll log in and see how it all works and how we can generate money. You can generate money in a variety of ways, so you'll have several income streams. One of the possibilities is to read emails. You can also earn commission at numerous levels, which means you can make even more money with this multiple level commission. ClicksGenie is extremely safe and secure and it employs two-factor authentication to ensure that nothing goes wrong. It's also quite transparent. All of your earnings are tracked and updated on your account. Now, the major reason we use ClicksGenie is because it is extremely fast. It pays right away. The website of ClicksGenie loads in less than a second. ClicksGenie is a mobile-friendly and lightning-fast website. This implies that we may install the app on your smartphone and use it directly from your phone to get paid instantly. ClicksGenie's payouts are completely instantaneous. You will be paid within minutes after submitting your payout request. And while this is what truly distinguishes the website, there is one blunder you must avoid if you want it to work for you. So keep an eye out to see what it is. Don't go straight to the website. Also, 0.01 is the minimum payout and it gets paid out instantly. This is fantastic because it only takes a few clicks to get paid. There are a variety of payment choices available on the platform as well, such as Bitcoin and Perfect Money. ClicksGenie is completely safe and secure with over 29,000 people from all over the world utilizing it to make money. By pressing this option, you can view payment proofs. So basically, all you have to do is go to clicksgenie.com and click on register right here to make an account for free. All you have to do now is type your username, create something and enter your email address, either the one you previously created or your primary email address, followed by both passwords. Make sure this is the email address you want to receive from ClicksGenie and that you enter it correctly. Finally, you must check the box indicating that you agree to the terms of services and privacy notice. Once it's all done, all you need to do is click on the register button on the bottom. You will receive an email with ClicksGenie as soon as you do so. You can activate your account by clicking the activation link over there. To complete the registration procedure, you must click on the following link. To activate your account, check your email and click on the link provided by ClicksGenie. It will return to the login page after successfully confirming your email. You can then log into your account after typing your details and confirming that you are not a robot. This is how your brand new account should look like. You'll be able to keep track of your earnings right here in the main section. Then once you've started making money, you may withdraw it by clicking withdraw on the right hand side. So all you have to do is click withdraw and you'll be paid right away. You can get your referral link here if you have friends who would profit from this, or if you have any friends who would like to make money online. Click copy to copy the referral link, which you can then email to some of your friends. And if they join ClicksGenie, you will earn money as well. So that's some more money you can make for free while using a ClicksGenie. The most typical mistake that all users can do when they arrive to ClicksGenie is that they just register, activate it, and click on the link, but then they are trapped waiting to start making money. They won't start making money until they return to their old email address. You'll need to return to your email account to see the second email. The email subject should include something like important or must read. You will need to open that email and follow the steps closely to prevent issues. They say to click on the three dots in the corner, then add ClicksGenie to your contact list. If you try that, it will most likely not be able to provide you with that option. From the three dots, you can find that button. So here's what you should do since they do not provide detailed instructions. You must click on the 9 dots, which are referred to as Google Apps in this case. After that, you'll want to look for contacts right here. When you click it, it will take you to a new page where you may view your Google contacts. And now, on the left, you'll click Create Contact. If you want to make money from this, it's critical that you follow along. Create a contact by clicking on it and then entering their first name, Clicks, and their last name, Ginny. Then, if you wish, you may add your company name. After that, you must include their email address. You can go back to the original email and copy and paste their message there. And you can now provide a phone number if you want to. If not, you may disregard it. Click save and then you're all done. They will now begin sending you emails and all you have to do is click on them to be paid. You can check your earnings on ClicksGenie. Because this is a completely new account, everything is set to 0. However, once I begin receiving and clicking on those emails, this will track my earnings and allow me to withdraw them immediately by hitting this other button. If you're wondering how they're paying you, it's because when they send you an email, there will most likely be an advertising in it. and they're simply splitting the ad money with you. Because advertisers pay for those ads, both you and them will profit from the click. As a result, this arrangement is advantageous to the both of you. So that's how you can make money using your phone and get paid right now. You simply need to create an email address or a Google account, sign up for a free account, and begin earning money. I hope you provided some value in this tutorial today. If you did get something, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss out on any new content. Thank you very much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in one of our next videos.